boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. My friends, in a minute here, I'm going to tell you why this unrest in Kazakhstan right now, this supply chain disruption, no matter what they say, my friends, this may be the greatest buying opportunity ever in uranium, my friends, ever in uranium. I'm going to tell you why here in a second, my friends. As you know, I'm going to be competing today with the freedom, the sound of freedom, as you can hear aircraft, fighters going over me. But there's not very many people out today. My friends, it's 64 degrees out here. Fahrenheit, my friends, about 17.78 or so Celsius. It is a wonderful day in the desert Southwest. I know there are areas of this country right now where it's snowing, they have blizzards, they have ice all over the roads, they can barely get to places, they can't get to the stores and everything. A lot of that's happening right now, my friends, and I want to tell you, you guys to be safe and be careful out there doing what you're doing. Now, my friends, back to the matter at hand of what's going on here, close to one of the leading uranium mines in the world. I'm talking about Kazatomprom, my friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Like and share these videos, my friends. But Kazatomprom, the series, the mine there, 43% of the world's uranium, my friend. So it's the mine's kind of east, west. There's a call from Putin, maybe. The west of where the theater is, where things are happening right now. So there's a little distance from what's going on right now with the way things are happening here, my friends. But it's really going on, and this highlights the need of us to have in countries to have multiple sources of uranium, my friends. But my friends, I wrote about this. Marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies get in early, hold, and grow rich. You guys remember this book? This little book right here, which has the companies in there right now that this is the timing for these companies, because we've seen what's going on. Page 18, guys. And I'm talking about the U.S., but I'm talking about other countries also. The U.S. uranium purchases from Russia have entirely comprised of uranium recycled from Soviet warheads. However, relying on a Russian state-run nuclear company for U.S. nuclear fuel supply poses serious challenges in terms of the United States energy security. Now, I didn't mention Kazatomprom, but who do you guys think I was talking about? Additionally, the possible dangers of over-reliance on foreign supplies in an increasingly competitive international markets are highlighted by China's, it goes on and on and on. Okay? I can go on about that forever. But my friends, one of the things is this is a problem. This is going to be a problem. No matter what they're saying, oh, well, everything's all right. The offices are up. The workers are going to work. Their production is the same in the mines. They're saying everything is fine, right? But my friends, let me tell you, let me remind you that 14 million pounds plus comes from Kazatomprom to Canada, and you've got annually, and you've got like America gets like we get like 3 million pounds or so. So my friends, that's a lot of pounds, and we get pounds from Canada also. So Australia gets a lot. They get 8 million pounds from the cats also. So it's not going to be an easy bullet to absorb, my friends. There's millions and millions of pounds coming out of there. And if you think there's not going to be a slowdown or somewhat of, if you believe what's coming out of Russia, then you probably believe in the tooth fairy also. So that's not really Russia, and what they're saying over there is not really the way go, my friends. Believe me, the railways, the buses, and the cars, and everything is stopped. Because when they done turned off everything, the government done turned off everything, you can't get no internet, you can't get nothing, you know, in Russia. I told you on one of my last video, I told you what they were going to do. When you cut the lights off and you cut everything off and you unleash the Russian army or the Russian troops, guys, it's not to go around and feed people. They're not a peacekeeping force. It's to go around and kill people. People are being beheaded. There's all kinds of stuff going on over there, my friends, right now as I speak. So, you know, if you think that you know, China is not in position to absorb this for a while, I believe they are. They've been stockpiling uranium here for the last 10 years, my friends. I believe they have over 120,000 tons of uranium over the last 10 years. They've been doing their work. It's America, it's Canada, I think it's Australia. It's going to be us, our countries that are going to be out there, you know, with our hand out, or as Rick Rule would say, the lights may go out, my friends. That's what's happening, my friends. And I'm saying this is an opportunity. Yeah, like I said, MacArthur River, that flood, yeah, I thought that was the best time. No, this is even a better entry than that. Because, I'm going to tell you why, my friends. Because, see, they didn't control 43% of the world's uranium. See, when we had that flood. So you're looking at something now. Sure, guys, I don't believe this is a nothing burger. You may think it's a nothing burger. Say, Mickey D, it's not that bad. Mickey D, it's they're gonna get it together, and the Russians are gonna kill enough people, and people are gonna stop. No. These uprisings, my friends, when they get the upper hand, when the people get the upper hand, like they have right now, and they start making a lot of guys, these stocks could gap up. Our stocks. I'm talking about the African Uranium Super Trade stocks. I'm talking about these stocks I'm talking about the good quality stocks, my friends. Your chemicals, my friends, your energy fuels, your uranium energy, your uranium royalty, you know, those denizens, those next gens, you know, those fissions, those things that have something. Those stocks are going to do exceptionally well, my friends, and they may gap up, and it just may be over. Sure, they're trading now like they're on steroids. They're up one day, down the next, up one day, and then down and up and down, and all that kind of stuff is going on right now. But, my friends, I say to you, with all the trading, that this is my third uranium bull market, my friends, and this catalyst right now of unrest in Kazakhstan is the best catalyst of them all, my friends, bar none. This is the best. Now, you can believe what YouTuber you want to believe here, or go wherever you want, but my money is I own a lot of uranium stocks at really low prices, because after all, this was written in 2019. So don't you think I was ahead of the game, my friends? Don't you think we us Scoop subscribers were ahead of the game, my friends? Don't you think we were ahead? How to invest in uranium now? Don't you think we were ahead of the game? Because we have the stocks, my friends. We have the stocks. Can anybody see me? Can you see me? You see anybody? Can you see me? Can you see me? Well, next time you see me, I'm going to be a no, just kidding, guys. But no, we have the stocks here, and they are, this catalyst here, I don't care what they're saying, like I'm telling you guys, you know, they've been saying, oh, everything is fine, nothing's happening, they're saying everything. Russia's, oh, we're just out there, you know, trying to take care of law and order, trying to do this and that. They're out there killing people, guys. Killing folk. That's what's going on right now. So make no mistake about this. This is a catalyst that has legs. Is that understood? Because there's going to be the human rights issues anyway, and nobody's going to want to deal with them anyway. After you see if you see some of the video and audio that I have seen, you would be definitely upset, you know. And people were complaining about marching in America. nonviolent marches in America, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, no. This is off the chain here. This is really, really off the chain. And look at it as an opportunity. You're a uranium investor. 43% of the world's uranium uncertainty. What's that going to do to the other? Use common sense. That's all I'm asking. It's just use common sense. You know, no matter, I don't care what they're saying. I don't care what the officials are saying. Don't listen to that stuff, because they're supposed to sugarcoat all that stuff and keep everybody calm and everybody, well, you know, okay, there's no communication with you. My shipment is a week late, you know, and we have no communication. Come on now. Come on, use your brain. You know, our stocks, you know, it's time for the United States, it's time for Canada, it's time for Australian companies to put this thing into overdrive. You know, it's time for government officials to go ahead and give some, you know, let's get some really quick licenses granted here. Let's get some permits out there. Let's work overtime on this, because the West could be in a lot of trouble, my friends. They can be in hot water, and let's look at it that way. And like I said, this is probably the greatest catalyst ever. And like I said, I've traded this is my third uranium bull market, guys, and it was never this easy, right, as it is right now. And it was never like this. So this is like taking candy from a baby, guys. Uranium sector, this is a no-brainer. How else can I say it? I've told you to plug your nose and buy these things. I've told you to close your eyes and throw at the dartboard and just get them. Well, those days are over, my friends. Those quality stocks right now that have assets are going to do exceptionally well. That's the scoop, my friends. I want to thank you for joining me. And if we gap up next week, oh my, it's going to be oh happy day, because I think there'll be some realization in at least on Wall Street. And you know, the Sprott, you know, some people, Sprott, that was the biggest catalyst. No, Sprott's going to do its job. But now you got this, and if Sprott goes on the, oh my, if Sprott goes, if they get a New York Stock Exchange listing, woo, hold on to your wigs and toupees, guys. Hey, hold on. That's all I'm saying is hold on. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You have a great week, guys. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, guys and gals. Enjoy yourself. I'm going to be at a football game. I'm going to watch the Las Vegas Raiders beat up on the Los Angeles Chargers. Harmel, hey, guy, you know, I know you guys are cold right now, and we're going to be indoors at Allegiant Stadium and stuff. I know, you know, right now it's a little in Vancouver, and everybody, all my friends up in Canada are a little chilly right now, but it's fine here. It's fine here, and it'll be fine when the Raiders, you've been to a Raider game. Oh, it's so exciting, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. God bless my family also with the losing of my aunt. Rest in peace. Love you, Auntie. Take care. God